careful. Oh, okay. So now it's just a matter of finding where everything's gonna live, or where I put everything when I transferred everything over from one trailer to this one. I don't know where I put anything.
Did you jump up there or you put it there?
She attempted. Quickly realized she can't.
How's it going?
I feel as if we've never camped a day in our life before.
We have this fancy ice maker that my sister bought us. Making little cubes. We haven't used it since last year. Pulled it out, set it up on the stove, and the bottom plug to prevent the water from running out was in there, and I filled it with water, so it flooded the stove. Setup went a little bit faster this time.
Yeah,
but
I mean, we're getting used to the new camper, which really, I mean, there's really nothing different other than we have a slide out. That's it.
And I think we're uneven. The bubble level says we're good, but I feel like we're... Now Mel's making pizza. Fridays are always stressful going out camping, and Mel insisted on consistently making the most stressful meal for camping.
But it's Pizza Friday. That doesn't change, camping or no camping. First real night in the new camper. What are your thoughts?
Nice. I had my COVID shot. My second shot. My first shot I was slapping my arm. Things were fine.
Oh yeah, it didn't hurt. You could hit me as hard as you want.
And I still could, because I'm a man.
Uh-huh. How are you feeling today?
It's been a couple hours since I had it.
Couple hours? You had it at like 9 o'clock.
12 hours, yeah. I'm feeling a little poopy.
But so far, thoughts on the camper?
Nice.
We technically spent one night in it before, when we first got it. We had to take it from Cincinnati to Columbus. Spent the night there, and then this is the first real trip of the season. And to no one's surprise, where are we?
Atwood.
But we got a water view this time. Won't be real sunny. It's 30-some degrees outside. Dreary. No rain right now. And Lady has already claimed her spot in the bed. Bundled up. But made pizza.
Made friends.
Made friends. Our neighbors next door. He's a funny guy. He's super excited.
It's their first time camping, and they're out with the motorhome, and he is so excited.
He's so
actually
happy,
told him,
and it's so nice.
He's so happy. I'm like, it's actually really refreshing. It's like, a lot of people camping are like, they've been doing it for 30 years, and they're like,
no,
he's so enthused that
so
it's
happy.
like...
He invited us to breakfast tomorrow. We've always wanted friends.
Camping friends. Friends.
You know what I mean. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Second COVID shot. Taking him out. So, we watched Harry Potter. But look at these views. We got the lake over there. We have the lake view from behind the kitchen. And then there's Lady again. Living her best life. Making Phillies. on our new black stone with the lake view behind us.